Hey everybody, it's Natasha with the Food Factor, and today we are making red pepper Parmesan tilapia. This is a recipe that has a little bit of heat and a lot of flavor. Let's get into it. Our first step, I've already put foil on the cookie sheet, and now I'm going to spray it with a little bit of non-stick cookie spray. And I'm going to start putting my tilapia fillets on. I've melted my butter, and now we're going to put that on our tilapia. I'm using the back of the spoon. Tilapia is a great source of lean protein, and if you're just looking for a different fish, it's a mild fish. Now it's time to mix all of our seasonings together, and I have black pepper and Italian season, and of course our little bit of heat, which is the red pepper and Parmesan cheese. And I like to just give it a few stirs with the fork. Now I'm going to sprinkle. I'm going to use my hand, so it's really not a sprinkle. It's more of a layering of the seasoning mix. And I like to get it nice and thick over all of the fillets. Now we're going to bake in the oven on 425 for about 10 to 15 minutes.